going to be learning a few new words in the Hmong game. The first word we're going to learn is going to be pronounced nya. But just like in the English language, it is going to be spelled differently for the different types of things that it represents. In the English language, it might be known as a homonym. Okay, so the first nya we're going to look at is going to be known as a name. Nya. You're going to first use the nya, and then you're going to use the vowel yeah. Notice that the vowel is represented by the consonant blah, but when you see it as a vowel, make sure you say yeah. We're going to use the accent thank, and we're also going to add the indicator right there. It's going to be pronounced nya, and it is known as a name. Okay, you can also name your kids nya. The next nya we're going to look at also starts with the nya. It is also represented by the vowel yeah, which is really the consonant blah. But remember, it's going to be known as a vowel in this word. We're going to add the same accent. Thank. This word says nya, but it means to endure. Okay, so if you're going to endure something, you might say that you are going to nya. Okay, the next word that we're going to look at also says nya. We're going to use the nya. And actually, we're going to use the vowel team today, the E and the A. Remember, in the last video, you learned that it says yeah. So together, we're also going to add the accent thank and the indicator. And this word also says nya. This word means dollars. So you might go to the store and spend some nya. Okay? The last word we're going to look at also says nya. We're going to use the consonant nya. And then we're going to use the za and the a, and together this is a vowel team that also says yeah. We're going to use the same accent, thank, and we're going to use a different indicator. Okay, this word says yeah, and it means silver. So if you are talking about lots of money that is very important, like silver and gold, you would use this nya instead of the other nya that indicated dollars. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. See you later.